So if you have comfort access, you try to open the trunk and it's not opening. So the thing to do is, you don't need any tool, just remove this packing, get it out of the way like this. It's better to do it in a hot weather day, but it's winter here, so nothing to do. And then you can expose this. You can see the spring. It has 3 settings. I will revert it back. This is the first setting. This is the softer, second and third level. Because of the spoiler, I need to put it in the third level. Which is quite far, and it's hardly a bit difficult to do it with one hand. So, went to the third setting in here to have a little bit of more spring load that is going to pop the trunk up, and just do the same in the other side. This is for the other side. You can see it's in the third setting below. So you can totally do it just with hands, but I use this spring just to remove the spring, this screwdriver, but because it's really cold and my hands are freezing, so that's why. But if it's warmer, it's totally possible to do it just by hands. Later, just make sure that this is going inside properly and everything is okay. Just close the trunk and it's working flawlessly.